Hello everyone, myself Nandini Kumari from MGM Medical College and Hospital, Jamshedpur. Today I will going to discuss about Krebs cycle, which is also known as citric acid cycle and TCA cycle. So let's begin. Now let's talk about overview and location. Location, mitochondrial matrix. Link reaction take place before the Krebs cycle, in which pyruvate is converted into acetyl-CoA with the help of pyruvate dehydrogenase. Oxygen indirectly required means electron transport chain reaction. Purpose is oxidation of acetyl-CoA and the formation of NADH, FADH2 and GTP. Now let's talk about mnemonic. Here the one of the easiest mnemonic, which is can intelligent Om Karan solve some foreign mafia operation. CAN is stand for citric acid, intelligent is stand for isocitrate, Om is stand for oxalosuccinate, which is of 6 carbon, and before the oxalosuccinate all the two compound is also 6 carbon. Then Karan is stand for alpha ketoglutarate, which is of 5 carbon. Solf is stand for succinyl CoA, which is of 4 carbon. Sum is stand for succinate. Foreign is stand for fumarate, and mafia is stand for malonate, and finally operation is stand for oxaloacetic acid. So let's see Krebs cycle in little more detail. Here you can see acetyl-CoA plus oxaloacetate. They together condensation take place, and with the help of citrate synthase, citrate is formed, which is of 6 carbon. This is of 2 carbon and oxaloacetate is of 4 carbon. They together meet to form a citrate. Then isomerization take place, and then it's converted into isocitrate. Isocitrate is of 6 carbon. Now it's converted into oxalosuccinate, which is of 6 carbon again, and one NADH formation take place here. After oxalosuccinate, it is converted into alpha ketoglutarate, which is of 5 carbon. Here one CO2 is removed. After a formation of alpha ketoglutarate, it's converted into succinyl CoA with the help of a removal of one CO2 and the formation of one NADH. This step is called oxidative decarboxylation. Now from succinyl CoA, which is of 4 carbon, it's converted into succinate, which is again of 4 carbon, and here one GTP formation take place. Succinate, from succinate it is converted into fumarate, and the formation of one FADH2 take place, and here is very important enzyme is required, that is a succinate dehydrogenase. After the formation of fumarate, it's converted into conversion take place, and it's converted into malate, which is a 4 carbon, and here the H2O is required. After a malate, it's converted into oxaloacetate, because regeneration is required for the continued progression of cyclic reaction. Now let's talk about enzyme and energy yield. So key enzyme or important enzyme is citrate synthase, which is required in the first step in the formation of citric acid or citrate. Isocitrate dehydrogenase, which is a rate limiting enzyme, and then alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Now let's talk about ATP yield. Per acetyl-CoA we are talking about. 3 NADH is formed, which is actually equivalent to 7.5 ATP. 1 FADH2 is formed, which is equivalent to 1.5 ATP. 1 GTP is equivalent to 1 ATP. Total 10 ATP is formed in Krebs cycle, but if we talk about as per glucose, then it's 20 ATP is required. Now let's talk about regulation and clinical correlation. Regulation, it is activated by ADP and calcium, and this Krebs cycle is activated by ADP and calcium, and inhibited by ATP, NADH and succinyl-CoA. Now let's talk about clinical prevalence. Thiamine vitamin B1 deficiency. This is needed for alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, and deficiency cause reduce ATP production, enzyme dysfunction, lead to Wernicke's encephalopathy. Confusion is one of its symptoms. Now let's talk about arsenic poisoning. Arsenic inhibit PDH, means pyruvate dehydrogenase and alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. So no acetyl CoA and Krebs cycle hamper. Then cells switch to glycolysis and which lead to lactic acidosis. Now the third clinical is Warburg effect, which is also known as cancer metabolism. So even in the presence of O2, cancer cell prefer to do glycolysis, no Krebs cycle, which is help to grow faster, and this shift is called Warburg effect. Now, thank you so much. This is my representation.